Let me explain how in Japan Nestlé adapted the regular Kit Kat to create the legendary Kitto Katsu in over 300 limited edition seasonal and regional flavors. It was around 2002 that Nestlé noticed surging sales every January as parents bought Kit Kats as good luck presents for their sons and daughters sitting university entrance exams. Capitalizing on this growing trend, Nestlé collaborated with Japan Post to launch the postable Kit Kat in 2009, resulting in about half of the nation's 600,000 annual exam-sitting students now receive the chocolate for good luck every year. The brand name Kitto Katsu translates well in Japan for students and means, win for sure. Nestlé contracted super chef Takagi, who created raspberry, dark chocolate, green tea, sweet potato, rum and raisin and sake flavors to name a few. Kitto Katsu is a fantastic international marketing example of successful product adaptation and expansion in an overseas market.